Welcome back everyone to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and healthy immune booster tea, and I'll take you through the process. So one of my first ingredients I'm going to use is a lemon. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the skin off because I want this little white part to show in it, because this is where the vitamin C lie, and it's also a lot of health benefit in this part here. That's the most healthy part, otherwise from what's inside, but this part have a lot of health benefit. So just peel it off a bit. Don't throw these away, you can get a lovely cakes or muffin out of it. So leave all the pips in it. So my next ingredient, I'm going to use a piece of celery. A lot of people don't know that celery is very healthy. Celery support heart health, support digestive system, and support inflammation also, and improve memory, help manage blood sugar, and also it's good for weight loss. So I'm going to use just this little piece. Take this one out of the way. So my next ingredients for this is going to be ginger. I'm not going to use all of this, but I will use probably about this amount. And ginger is very healthy. It's always from ancient times used to treat fever and cold, reduce tiredness, help you to reduce your sickness. It's also good for pain, inflammation in the body, help with your digestive system, good blood flow, reduce your blood sugar, and also good for your heart. So I'm going to cut about that piece. You can either use a knife, spoon, but I'm just going to use a peeler and take some of the skin off. But this is personal preference. You still can use all of it. So the next stage is I'm gonna kind of blend these. That's all the ingredients you need, and I'm gonna add a bit of spinach to it also. So here I have some spinach. So I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna add about a glass of water to this. When adding your spinach, you're especially making a bit of tea, soup, that helps support your immune function, and also you get extra vitamin C, potassium, vitamin E, magnesium from it, and it's also good for your digestive system and helps speed up your metabolism. And now, time to blend. So with the blended mixture, just add it here. And I'm gonna add a little bit more water to this. So this is good to go now. Turn the gas off. So if you want it refined with no bits, just get yourself one of this. It's like a refined strainer. So this just put it inside here. Just pour your tea straight in. So with this, you can add a bit of honey with or without. For me, I'm just gonna add a bit of natural organic honey in this. Wow. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is so delicious. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave positive comment. So the rest, just put him in a bottle. So this is what you can do. Put a lid on, and there you have it. So in the morning or evening, if you want to drink it cold, you know, just add a bit of ice in a glass and enjoy your drink. If you want to drink it hot, just warm it a bit. There you have your tea. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.